Hello everyone, I'm excited to share some valuable insights with you today. Dr. Oz here with a powerful health tip straight from your kitchen. We often overlook the simple things, but they can have a profound impact on our well-being. Today we're spotlighting a tiny, often overlooked spice, a humble ingredient that packs a serious punch: the clove. This little bud has a history as rich as its aroma. For centuries, clove has been used in traditional medicine for its impressive health benefits, especially for men over 60. It's more than just a flavoring, it's a wellness booster. The secret? What makes this spice so special? A compound called Eugenol, it's the star player in clove's health benefits, which acts as a potent antioxidant and circulation booster. Eugenol helps fight off free radicals and gets your blood flowing. As we age, blood vessels can stiffen. It's a natural part of the aging process, slowing blood flow and impacting energy and vitality. This can lead to feeling sluggish and less energetic. Clove's Eugenol helps keep blood moving smoothly, ensuring that your body gets what it needs, delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout your body. It's like a breath of fresh air for your cells. This simple spice can be a game changer for your well-being. It's a small addition that can make a big difference. Sometimes, the best solutions are right in your pantry. You don't need fancy gadgets or expensive treatments. Always check with your doctor before starting any new health routine. Your health is important, and professional guidance is key. Let's bring clove out of the spice rack and into your daily life. Incorporate it into your meals, your teas, and your overall wellness journey. Ready to unlock a new level of vitality? Are you prepared to feel more energetic and alive? Let's dive in. It's time to embrace the power of clove. Let's talk openly, honestly, and directly about a topic that many men experience as they age. Erections can become more challenging with age. It's a natural part of the aging process, and it's nothing to be ashamed of. Understanding the reasons behind this change is the first step to addressing it. The primary reason for this shift is mainly due to reduced blood flow to the penis. As we get older, our blood vessels can narrow and become less efficient at delivering blood where it's needed. But here's where clove comes in. Clove's Eugenol, a powerful compound, helps relax and widen blood vessels, promoting better circulation. This supports healthy circulation throughout the body, which is absolutely key for achieving and maintaining strong erections. Think of it as a natural boost for your cardiovascular system with added benefits. But there's more to the story than just blood flow. Your gum health matters too, perhaps more than you realize. Gum disease can cause inflammation throughout the body, and that inflammation restricts blood flow, impacting everything from your heart health to your sexual function. This is where clove steps in again. Clove is a natural antiseptic, packed with properties that can help keep your mouth healthy. It's effective at fighting oral bacteria and supporting overall gum health, creating a healthier environment in your mouth. Chewing a clove not only boosts circulation thanks to Eugenol, but also helps your mouth stay healthy by combating harmful bacteria. It's a simple, natural, and holistic way to support both your cardiovascular and sexual health, all in one little spice. No magic pills or complicated routines are needed. It's just smart, daily support for your body, working with your natural systems to promote better health. Better blood flow, healthier gums, and a stronger, more confident you. That's the power of clove, a small spice with a big impact. Let's explore a simple yet powerful addition to your daily life. I'm talking about incorporating a single clove into your daily routine. This isn't just a fleeting trend, it's a time-honored practice with potential benefits for your overall well-being. The key is to take one whole, high-quality clove, not powder. Freshness matters, so choose cloves that are fragrant and intact. Now gently place it in your mouth. Gently chew the clove for approximately 60 seconds, allowing its natural oils to be released. As you chew, these oils mix with your saliva, facilitating quick absorption into your system. This process allows you to harness the potential benefits of clove more effectively. After that minute, simply swallow the remaining pieces with a refreshing glass of water. For optimal results, I recommend incorporating this practice into your evening routine. Aim to do this about an hour before you retire to bed. You might be wondering, why this timing? Well, clove's ability to boost circulation can work its magic while you sleep, promoting better overall health. Furthermore, its naturally calming aroma can contribute to a more relaxed state, preparing you for a restful night. Remember, good sleep is absolutely vital for hormone production, cellular repair, and your overall health and vitality. Strive to make this simple 60-second ritual as much a part of your daily life as brushing your teeth. It's a remarkably simple habit that can potentially unlock a world of benefits for your well-being. Just 1 minute, one clove, every single night before bed. That's truly all it takes to potentially make a positive impact on your health. Clove's benefits go far beyond the bedroom. Its antioxidants help protect testosterone-producing cells, supporting energy, muscle, and libido. Eugenol's calming effect can improve sleep quality, helping your body repair and recharge. Clove also aids digestion by stimulating enzymes and reducing bloating. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption and a stronger immune system. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers help fight aging at the cellular level. Less inflammation means lower risk of heart disease and arthritis. With just one clove a day, you're supporting your whole body. Simple, natural, effective. That's the Clove advantage. What can you expect? In the first week, you may notice a cleaner mouth and better sleep. By 2 weeks, you might feel more energetic and notice improved digestion. After a month, many men report stronger morning erections and greater vitality. Results vary, but consistency is key. Make this 60-second ritual a daily habit. You're supporting blood flow, sleep, testosterone, and fighting inflammation, all with one spice. Take charge of your health and add life to your years. The 60-second Clove method is simple, affordable, and natural. Embrace it, and see how a small change can make a big difference. Here's to your health.